Do you ever think about the fact that your brain has more possible connections than there are atoms in the entire universe? I know, it's pretty unbelievable, right? We regularly track things like our heart rate and our blood pressure and other vital signs, but we hardly ever measure the performance of our brain. So there's this thing called NeuroCatch, and it sounds kind of fancy, I know, but it's essentially just a brain scanner, and it measures how well your brain is performing. It measures things like auditory sensation, basic attention, and cognitive processing. At Neuronic, we just had a presentation from a world-leading neuroscientist called Dr. Ryan Darcy to talk about how we can measure the brain and what we can learn from those measurements. One of the wildest examples that Dr. Darcy shared about was a Red Bull athlete who had suffered a head injury in a crash, and unfortunately his brain processing speed had gone way down. But after just 10 minutes of light therapy using the Neuradian 1070, his brain performance bounced back much more than expected. Now, we are talking in milliseconds here, but in the world of brain health, that is actually a really big deal. These results are super important for athletes and in recovery because one small hit or crash can slow down brain processing speeds without any obvious symptoms. This kind of stuff isn't just science fiction, it's how brain health is being optimized. And it's not just revolutionary for athletes. If you care about your brain health and best protecting it, you should know about the power of light therapy.